This one goes out to Lisa Left Eye Lopez. I miss you. For temptation, but he just can't see. She gives him a love that is not
she's ready to cash out.
all he can say is been as good to me. One day he goes and takes a piece of the mirror, but he doesn't recognize his own face. He has held his face. They stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. Wonder that you're gonna have it your way of nothing at all. But I think you're moving too fast. Little TLC for Joe C. Yeah! TL Joe C. Alright, I'm done.
Boo, hiss, boo. Yeah, it was. Hey, Shane, my mom says you were doing so well.
Why stop?
She doesn't know why you would stop there. She just saying she don't know why you would stop there.
Oh, it's nice.
Shane's aunt.
Mom. It's nice of Mom. It's like this guy who can't charge people's ballots.
Hey y'all, put your hands together for Andy Padlin playing for tonight. He started way earlier, but all you fucking late motherfuckers got here at, well, you got an excuse. Nadine's got an excuse. But Caitlin, you don't have an excuse. Just because you were at 3 blind mice doesn't mean you can't look at the fucking clock. I'm kidding. Good night.
Alright, hang on.
Have a good night, everybody.
Good night.
Here, I'm giving away 4 more things. Okay, I'm going to ask you trivia questions, and you're going to yell the answer, and the right one comes up here. Scrooge's first name is what?
Ebenezer.
You got it.
I can't
Yeah,
remember.
whatever.
Yeah.
She don't know what they are either. Complete this line. I'll be home for Christmas if only.
In my dreams. In my dreams.
In my dreams.
What is the question?
I'll be home for Christmas.
Yeah, no, go ahead.
What, is that the answer?
You missed it.
It was me.
I think you're like 2 minutes. All right.
Thank you.
In Sleigh Ride, in the song Sleigh Ride, the snow is falling and friends are calling what? Whoever that was, come up here. Hi. In the song, the Christmas song, the folks are dressed up like what?
Like Eskimos?
You got it.
I'll get copy. Alright. Only because it's got chocolate.
What did the night wind say to the little lamb? What did the night wind say to the little lamb?
Do you hear what I hear?
You're very close.
Do you hear what I hear?
Do you see what I see?
Oh, darn. I see what I see.
All right, we're gonna do one more. One foggy Christmas Eve, Santa needed help guiding his sleigh through the stormy night. Are you kidding me? All right, go.
You should have made her name all the reindeer.
Wait, what?
That's not good. You did her the easy ones. I had to go hippopotamus.
All right, no cards. In the movie The Christmas Story, there was a bully who bullied Ralphie and all his friends. What was his name?
Redhead with braces and everything.
Where's my brother?
This is brother.
Oh, it was Randy Pavlin.
It was Scotty. So
Randy, right?
Scotty.
Danny.
it was Scotty McGinnis.
What does it start with?
It should have been Scotty McGinnis.
It does start with an S.
Shane.
It was Scott Farkas.
What?
Scott Farkas.
Scott.
Scott.
Scott Farkas. All right, hang on. How about this one? Hey, Shane.
Oh, sorry, Shane. It was
The song Band-Aid, which was considered a Christmas song, topped the UK charts in what year?
1987.
88.
86.
You're all wrong.
83.
41, 42.
84.
Why do you know all the answers to all these questions? It's creepy.
Decade. What decade is it?
It's 1984. You said 82. You said 82, and 89, and 74.
Give me my damn swag.
You can have your swag. Wait. You're a brat.
He's got a fucking new leg. He got a new leg.
I can yell at Shane across the bar. It's cool.
What up, a weep? What's going on?
Hey Shane, what color are the berries of a mistletoe plant? Wrong. 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 Wrong.
White.
Wrong.
I said it before you, Mom. I already had said it.
They're
I know.
white.
White.
I find the really hard ones. You can
Where can my tree be?
You're asking something really hard.
In Santa Claus is Coming to Town, what is the kids in Girl and Boy Land? What will they have? That's very close, Shane. Jail and the answer are very closely linked.
Jubilee.
A night to hang out with Michael Jackson.
Prison.
Very close. Again, you're getting there.
Rape. Candy. Drops.
It's a gay old time.
That's what rape is.
On the 11th day of Christmas, what did my true love send to me?
11 dancers dancing.
11.
Piper's piping.
See, Shane, you get no swag on account I told you this answer earlier before you left.
Crap, Tim.
And you still don't know it.
Piper's piping.
All right, all right. Yeah, we got a few things left. All right, here can be for a real answer, if I can find one.
You make it easier. You here all night. We digress.
Oh, I was just messing. All right.
Back to politics. Back to MSNBC.
Hey Shane, this one's for you. What country group recorded Christmas in Dixie? I hate you. You earned that one. Come get your Nutter Butters.
Alabama.
2 points to the big.
For real. I'll find your Nutter Butters. I'll find it.
Dash Nutter Butter.
Oh my God!
Are in here? Maybe? I don't know.
All right, here's for real answer. Which of Santa's reindeer was the coach of the reindeer games?
Rudolph.
Nope. Nope. You win. Sarah wins. It's Donner. Did you?
I know
Here's a trivia question with no prize involved, except for feel good about yourself. And it's not Christmas related either.
Uh-oh.
Name the only state that ends in the letter K. Sorry, my alarm was going off. Only state.
Rhode Island.
No, that's a mess.
Come on. There's only 50 of them. Really? One SK.
Fantastic, good job. That deserves a prize. Pakistan. I think you get to pick one out. Wait, over here. Where we got? Over here?
Can't you get it open? Jen will get it open for you. She opened the other door. I don't capture all that. There's Nutter Brothers in there.
Whose is this, anyways?
Mine.
It's yours? I'm not taking that.
No, take it.
No way.
I'm not going to eat them.
I'll go there. I didn't do it all.
We're mingling around. Are you done, Jen? This is a trivia question for Brian and Amanda back there. What percent of Caitlin McHenry's posts are passive aggressive?
99% of them.
No, 43%. 57 is bring me some food, alcohol, or dicks.
Dix wasn't in that one.
Dix was
So
not.
Dick's always finds his way to work its way into your pie, Caitlin.
Hell yeah.
Nutter Butters, they were.
Brian, you are correct. You won a nut. Your brother.
Found them. It doesn't surprise me. There's Reese's in there too.
What are these all doing here? I didn't have them. I was just talking. No, I didn't. I don't even right here. What am I going to do? I already have waitress kits. Thank you. How much did you take up here? Huh? You could play more trivia. I heard. They seem to like it. I need a cigarette. Smoke one in the bathroom. That's what we do.
so